Now we're ready to complete the final step, which after the grout has been wiped down and it has at least 24 hours to set up, then what we do, we put in a sealant, and this is Aquatite. It's a stone tile grout sealer and enhancer. So what you do on this is apply this through a spray bottle, and what I've done here is just taken a commercial or residential cleaning, and so what I've done is clean this out, and make sure that you clean out the sprayer too as well. You don't want any other chemical mixed in with this. And then what we do is just spray this on just like so, cover all the area, and then wipe this down after 5 minutes. So you want to do this all the way down. Alright, then the last thing you do is just go back over with a damp sponge and wipe everything down that you just applied.
Yeah.